Namaste guys, hello everyone. So guys, now October month has already started, and with that, yes, I will be getting guidance for the same for this month. And yes, I will be getting the guidance via tarot, but little different. Via Akashic Tarot, I wish to get this month's guidance. Many of you might be knowing Akashic, many of you might not be knowing Akashic, so this short video for them. So guys, I would like to start first of all. Here I am not giving that typical information, Google based or something that professional information. I'm going to convey something that I have understood by Akashic. So to start with, we all are human beings, right? But before that, before being humans, first we are a soul. We are, we call it as Atma, we call it as Jiv. We are souls first. A soul, nobody can, even touch it. It can never be destroyed, cannot be done anything. Many of you have heard about that Gita shlok. I have posted here, you can see it above. So many of you might have heard about that Gita shlok, that a soul, it always takes some or the other new forms. Now, example, if today I am a girl, in my next lifetime I might be a boy, or I might be some bird or an animal or a reptile or even a fish. Anything depends on my karmas. So guys, what happens is each lifetime our body shades away, fades away, but this soul always takes some or the other new forms. So a soul has its own journey that it has passed over the years. It has cleared over the years. Like what karma that soul has done, what karma they have cleared, what life lessons they have learned, or what they wish have to learn, or what new karmas they have created. Each and everything of each individual soul journey is being stored, saved, recorded somewhere, and that is known as Akashic record. And the god who all looks after it is Lord Chitragupta. The name Chitragupta itself includes that someone who is taking Chitra secretly, privately. So this is what I wish to tell you, and this time guidance I will give you in general, but yeah, we can relate it with your any of your past lifetime where you might have done something. Why this lifetime you have certain blockages, resistances, or some of your things are not going very, successfully, efficiently. We can make out of it. So this is how I wish to get this month's guidance. Do support me. This is the first time I will be doing this. So this is what I wish to tell you. Thank you.